I called you 3 times last night. What were you doing?
I was sleeping. While you were calling me, I was sleeping, Azat.
Really?
Sorry.
But I called you 3 times at different time. So first I called you in the morning at about 9 o'clock.
Yes, I was sleeping.
You were sleeping, I thought so, but then I called you in the afternoon at 2 o'clock.
Oh, I was eating food.
You were eating food.
And then I missed your message.
What were you eating?
Lobster. I was eating lobster.
Of course, nobody answers their friends and they're eating lobster.
It's a rule that we have.
But then in the evening I called you back at about 6 o'clock.
Oh, I was having my second evening nap.
Wow, that was a busy day, wasn't it?
It was just a very sleepy day, very ignoring everybody day. I was ignoring most people and sleeping. Great day.
Well, I called you because I was going to spend some money. I didn't know how to spend it. Like, I won a lottery.
What?
Yeah.
Why didn't you call me?
$3,000. I did call you. I won $3,000, and then, you know my attitude to money. Yeah, like if I get it, like if it's not the money that I have to earn, I spend it with my friends. So.
Did you spend it all yesterday?
Yeah, of course, because I had to spend it the same day. So I bought lots of things.
So while I was sleeping, what were you doing?
Well, in the morning when I called you first time, I was playing computer games. I got PSP. How do you call that? I don't know the names.
The PlayStation 4 and the Xbox One.
Yeah, those, and I was playing. Then when I called you in the afternoon, I was also having lunch in this restaurant, 5-star restaurant.
Oh,
Yeah,
what?
It was hard actually to book a table when I went there. They said, no, you have to book 2 months in advance, and I had to give them $1,000. Just to bribe them. Yeah.
Wow.
I bribed the manager there, and he said, yeah, here is a table for you. I said, I need a table for 2, but you didn't answer.
Oh, no, is that?
Yeah. And then in the evening, I went to this nightclub, like the best nightclub here. The best one.
I don't want to hear anymore. This sounds horrible.
Yeah, so
I was sleeping. My second evening nap.
Yeah, sorry. So we use the past continuous to tell about some actions that were happening at some specific time in the past.
Mm-hmm.
That's
and
when
it was
we use the past
long
continuous.
action.
And it was a very enjoyable action. So,
like my sleeping.
Usually in this case we have 2 or more actions where one of them is shorter and the other is longer. For example, I was eating lobster when you called me. So eating a lobster is a long action and calling is a short action that interfered with this longer action.
Long action, and in the middle comes a short action. Interfere. So both were happening at the same time in the past.
Sometimes we use the past continuous 2 times when both actions were long and happened at the same time. So I was having fun when you were sleeping.
Right. My long action is here, and Azat's long action.
Maybe it's here, maybe it's somewhere here.
Yeah.
But they were happening at the same time.
Exactly.
They were long.
And the last one is, or at least as I understand, is that there's one for when you explain, how do we put this? Like Disney stories. For example, once upon a time, there was a beautiful Russian man, Azat, and he was singing to Kirby.
Whoa.
Is that right? Okay, I was joking.
So the past continuous is used to provide some information to draw this background for the main events. So it was raining, it was dark, the weather was changing, and all the people were getting annoyed and cold. So in these cases, we also use the past continuous. What is your homework?
Your homework is to tell us about some events that you've done in the past week, some things that you've done in the past week using the past continuous. So what we're going to do is you're going to talk about something that you were doing for a long time, and then when one of your friends interfered in that time, they did something else at the same time. It could be, for example, when Azat was eating at the 5-star place, I was eating lobster. It could be while you were working, you got a call from your friend.
You can make it up, or it's better, of course, if you tell about your real things.
Your real things that happened, because I didn't eat lobster. I'm sorry, guys.
And I didn't win a lottery.
Damn, it's too good to be true. But good luck with your homework, guys.